Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Spigen Glass Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector. So as I had told you in the unboxing video that I'll show you this. First of all, let me tell you, this product also supports some other tempered glass phones like iPhone XS, 10. So if you buy this product, you can use this on XS, 10 and 11 Pro, not the Max. Okay, so why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. Before that, do remember to clean the desk totally, wash your hands, and there shouldn't be any dust particles in here. If you are installing this for the very first time, then I will suggest you do not remove this sticker from your phone, because that helps a lot, because this screen doesn't have any dust particle inside it unless otherwise if it is not removed. Okay, so I will suggest don't remove this, because it is very easy to install a cleaned and perfect finish with this not removed. And if you are installing for the tempered glass for the second time, doesn't matter, do the same process that I will do with this too. So let's keep this phone aside and open this up. As you have already seen, this is a 2-pack version. That means it comes with 2 tempered glass. If you break one, you have another spare to install it here. So as you can see, there are 2 sets of tempered glass kit here. So inside what we get, let's open this. So we get 2 sets of tempered glass. As you can see here, this is the tempered glass, and you just fix it on top of the phone and just swipe it out and it gets installed. So it is very easy, but before that we have to do some cleaning and some sticker removal for the dust removal, sticker film. Then you have to install this in this way and align it and just rip it out. After that, if you have any bubbles inside that, then you can use this squeezy to squeeze out all the bubbles and you can go further. So let's keep this all aside and start with this. I forgot to show you something else. I have another thing inside this box. This is a alcohol wipe, cleaning wipe, and we do get the sticker here, the squeezy sticker as it is mentioned here, and nothing else. One cloth here. So you might be thinking why I'm not removing this packet out. So my friends, let me share you a secret. Whatever you remove and keep it on top of the desk, you get it dust in there. The more the dust, the more chances of getting a dust particle inside the tempered glass. Okay, even when you keep this device, the Easy Fit device with the tempered glass on it, keep always facing down so that none of the dust particles falls on top of it. And I will also suggest you not to keep on top of the desk, better to keep it on this or inside the box. It's better. So I have cleaned this area totally, so I'm not taking the much more precautions. I'm just putting it here, and since I have to install it only one phone, so I do have another one to try it again. So why wait, my friends? Let's move on to this. If you are thinking that you will scratch the phone on the back or you will be some damages to the phone, you can keep this paper on and keep the phone on top of it, or else if you have some other clean sponge or cloth, you can use that. Okay, but don't use cotton cloth, because that will also attract dust inside the tempered glass. So as you can see, my friends, there is already some dusts on top of this display, so I have to be very careful about installing the tempered glass now. I have to do the whole process to how to do it. So let's open this. Inside here, as you can see, we get one cleaning wipe, a squeezy, another cleaning wipe, a clean cloth, and dust removal sticker. Okay, so we will keep this aside, and the squeezy aside. I will carefully remove this sticker out. So let's go, my friends. Do remember to pull this away from the phone like this and keep that aside. Now, as you can see, the display is totally clean as compared to the previous installation techniques that I have told you. This is totally clean. Let me check it out properly. It will be a bit long video, my friends, but do have patience. It is good for you and for me and everyone who will be watching this video for the step-by-step installation process. Let me check. See, there is no dust particles here. I can check it out. No dust particles. Do remember to switch off fan, AC, or anything that is blowing towards the phone. Even be very careful about the doors and anything that will be opening and closing while doing this. I would suggest you to do this before going to sleep, because after you do that, you will leave the phone the whole night, and you may see that if there are some bubbles generated, that will go away in the night. So I'm not taking that thing on top of the phone, so that I'm afraid that some dust particle might drop up there. Now the step is, I'm skipping 2 steps, that is the cleaning part and the alcohol wipe part that we don't need, because the display is totally clean here. I can see there is no dust particles here, and I'll also show you in the video how to check if you have any dust particles here. So the phone is totally clean. Just I will pull the tab here. You can see this is the back tab here. You need to remove this totally, as you can see here. While removing this, do remember to face the temper glass down. So it is done, and do remember to align it perfectly as it was mentioned earlier. So I have aligned it properly. Now you need to push it. It is done, totally on top of the phone. Now you just need to slide it in this way, and the tempered glass is on top of the phone. Now it is aligning, as you can see here. Below it is going away everything. So it takes around 30 seconds or 1 minute to press it once or twice. If you want a perfect, you can check it in this way, like the phone is totally steady or not. You can check it out by pressing everywhere, and you can see the tempered glass is already stick up on the display. Now you have to remove this. So this way it is very easy, as you can see here. Be very careful about this part. I'm doing it very slowly, my friends, because I don't want that the sticker is very hard. I don't want that tempered glass to remove and again put some air bubbles inside that. Okay, do press here and take this out. As you can see, we have another protection film on top of here, and as you can see, there are 2 bubbles here. So how to remove that bubbles, let me show you. We will take this squeezy and this protective film is for this process only. Gently push this from middle to outside. Be very careful about it. See, so the air bubble will go out. So here also gently push it out. As you can see, it is totally gone. And here also you can do the same thing. As you can see, it is already done. If you have any doubts, then you can go through with the squeezy totally on all sides, like from the middle to outside like this, and from here middle to outside like this. Okay, these corners need to be checked out. And that bubble you see here, these are not bubbles, these are this sticker that is moving on. Glass is already on top of the phone. Okay, now I will show you how to check for any dust particles here. Let the phone switch on. I will skip this part. If the phone takes longer to boot, because this sticker is making a hell of a problem here. I see here. So now it is on. You need to go inside the photos, and as you can see that this is totally clean here. There is no dust particles inside the display. I think yes, there is no dust particles here, and it is perfectly aligned. As you can see, it is perfectly aligned with the phone. Just remove this sticker and you will feel the difference. Voila. So as you can see, my friends, the touch sensitivity is still the same. There is no difference, and we get the good protection here. See, it is totally here. Let me turn off the display. As you can see, the tempered glass on top of this phone. Switching it on, as you can see, it is perfectly aligned. See, this is the tempered glass. See, it is perfectly aligned, all sides. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video for Spigen tempered glass for iPhone 11 Pro, 10s and 10. If you have any doubts about this product or installation, you feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.